What if you could launch a new, high-margin service tomorrow that clients are already desperate for? Adstorm Sellers Pack makes this your reality. This is not just software, it is a complete, turnkey system for transforming ad automation into a profitable, scalable revenue stream for your agency. Here's the brutal truth. Most agencies are stuck in a cycle of trading time for money. You land a client, spend hours on campaign setup, daily optimizations, and endless reporting. Stop working and the revenue stops. It is exhausting, unscalable, and leaves you vulnerable to client churn. Meanwhile, the agencies that are thriving have cracked the code. They have productized their positive to Kaicha with a difference. Services into recurring revenue streams. Adstorm Sellers Pack hands you that code on a silver platter. This powerful bundle gives you everything needed to white label and resell premium ad automation under your own brand. You get full multi-platform campaign management across Meta, Google, TikTok, and LinkedIn, all accessible through customizable client dashboards that make you look like a tech powerhouse. The automation handles bid adjustments, audience targeting, creative testing, and performance tracking in real time. Your clients get enterprise-level results while you focus on growing your business. But the Sellers Pack delivers far more than just cutting-edge technology. It is a complete business acceleration system. You receive done-for-you sales materials that would cost thousands to develop. Customizable proposals with compelling ROI calculators, professional onboarding templates that impress clients from day one, proven email sequences that nurture leads automatically, and detailed objection handling scripts that turn skepticism into signed contracts. It is like having a seasoned sales team and operations manager in a box. The results are nothing short of transformative. Agencies implementing Adstorm Sellers Pack report adding $10,000 to $50, zero in monthly recurring revenue within their first 90 days. Others use it to upsell existing clients, increasing their average contract value by 200–300% virtually overnight. The demand is undeniable. Businesses of all sizes want better ad performance without the process, complexity, or the need to hire expensive in-house teams. This is not just another feature or upgrade. The Sellers Pack represents a fundamental shift in your agency's business model. No more feast or famine cycles, no more trading hours for dollars. Just predictable, scalable revenue from a service clients genuinely need and are willing to pay premium prices for. The market is ready, the technology is proven. The only question that remains is, when will you make the move that could redefine your agency's future?